My name is Alex, and I'm a repairman for Eustis Roofing. It's my passion to do repairs because every day is something different. One of the things that I noticed since I've been doing repairs, for example, if you do a good repair, you're creating a trust that a homeowner can trust you. He can do a good repair that is gonna last me for a while. It's gonna save me money in the long run. They're gonna come to you, hey, can you do a whole roof? Because they already know that we're good and we're doing it with passion. I try to do my 100%. Like I told you, I do this passion. I like what I do. I love what I do, and I always take pride in what I do. It's one of the things that I don't think very many people have it. But you know, everybody's different. It's just personally, that's what I like.
Awesome.